Then thank you. Well, for many cryptocurrency investors, Christmas has come early this year in the form of a massive rebound in prices, with gains of more than 300% for some of the biggest of these digital assets. Earlier, our Faith Jesse went in depth with this special guest.
Joining me now to break it down for us is NYU professor and CEO of Rubicon Digital Assets, Greg Johnson. Greg, thanks so much for being here. I want to start with this. What is driving the latest move in the crypto markets?
Well, Faith, it's good to be back with you, and happy holidays to everybody. You know, like many things, it's a combination of factors that have led to this incredible year-end and sustained rally in the crypto markets. We saw the very swift, deliberate action in the collapse of FTX, the trial that took place, the verdict that was delivered, the harshness of that verdict. It sent a message that, you know, the industry better clean itself up. And for many people like myself, that was music to our ears. And to top it all off, just a month ago, the largest crypto exchange in the world, a company called Binance, that in fact did have offices here in Atlanta for a while for their US arm, they received one of the largest ever fines in the history of financial services, over $4 billion US dollars. So that sent a message that we're taking this industry very, very seriously. But I believe one of the biggest factors is there's very much anticipation that early next year, the SEC is finally going to approve Bitcoin ETFs. Many viewers out there know what an ETF is, but just in case, an ETF is an exchange-traded fund. And these popular investment vehicles, most Americans that have a 401k, an IRA, a portfolio, they probably have an ETF in there. And many believe, as do I, that the approval and the pending approval has given a lot of steam to this most recent market surge. And the last reason that helps everybody is there's confidence that inflation, I know it doesn't feel like it at the supermarket if you're shopping in Publix necessarily, but long-term inflation rates look to be improving, and the Federal Reserve has decreased rates. So there's that expectation.
So, Greg, why do the crypto markets matter for those of us who might not own any digital assets directly?
Faith, we were talking about this before, but many major corporations, in fact, virtually all Fortune 500, 1,000 companies, they also have their own internal investment portfolios. They keep a portfolio like you and I might, or the average retirement investor might have an investment portfolio. And more, we're seeing companies like Tesla actually put Bitcoin on their balance sheets, not because they're crazy, but because they're looking to put a little bit of Bitcoin on the balance sheet to drive some additional returns. I think the other thing that people are asking me about every single day is this rally going to continue? And if in fact we do see that ETF approval, if in fact the interest rate environment takes place the way that many believe it will with the Fed, we could see this market rally sustained throughout 2024.
Well, Greg Johnson, the CEO of Rubicon Digital Assets, thank you so much for breaking that down for us.